How to formulate a research question. A step-by-step guide. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an essential aspect of any research project. Formulating a research question. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about a particular topic, having a well-defined research question is crucial. So, let's start. There are several phases to prepare good research question. Let's talk about these phases and how to be achieved. Understanding the importance of a research question. Let's understand why a research question is so important. A research question acts as a compass, guiding your entire research process. It helps you focus your efforts, gather relevant information, and ultimately find meaningful answers. Without a clear research question, your project may lack direction and purpose. The second point is identifying your area of interest. The first step in formulating a research question is identifying your area of interest. What topic or subject are you passionate about? Consider your personal experiences, academic interests, or current events that intrigue you. This will help you choose a research question that genuinely engages you. Narrowing down your topic. Once you have identified your area of interest, it's time to narrow down your topic. Start broad and gradually focus on a specific aspect. For example, if you're interested in climate change, you could narrow it down to the impact of climate change on a particular region or the effectiveness of certain mitigation strategies. Conducting preliminary research. Before finalizing your research question, it's crucial to conduct preliminary research. This will help you understand the existing knowledge, identify any gaps, and refine your question. Utilize academic databases, books, and credible online sources to gather relevant information. Formulating a clear and specific research question. Now that you have a solid understanding of your topic, it's time to formulate your research question. A good research question should be clear, specific, and concise. It should also be answerable and relevant to your field of study. Avoid vague or overly broad questions that may be difficult to address. Seeking feedback and refining your question. Once you have formulated your research question, seek feedback from your peers, professors, or mentors. Their input can help you refine and improve your question. Remember, constructive criticism is valuable in shaping your research project. What is the difference between the research question and the hypothesis? The research question provides a general direction for the study, while the hypothesis offers a specific prediction or explanation that can be tested through empirical research. The research question is broader and more exploratory, while the hypothesis is narrower and more focused on making a spreadsheet. Let's now talk about types of research question. 1. Descriptive research questions. These questions aim to describe a particular phenomenon or situation. For example, what are the demographics of the target population? 2. Exploratory research questions. These questions seek to explore a topic or issue in depth, often with the goal of generating new ideas or hypotheses. For example, what are the potential factors influencing consumer behavior in the digital age? 3. Predictive research questions. These questions focus on predicting future outcomes or trends based on existing data or patterns. For example, what will be the impact of AI tools development on labor market in the next decade? Comparative research questions. These questions involve comparing two or more groups, variables, or conditions to identify similarities, differences, or relationships. For example, how does the effectiveness of two different teaching methods compare in improving student performance? 5. Qualitative research questions. These questions aim to explore subjective experiences, perceptions, or meanings of individuals or groups. For example, what are the lived experiences of individuals who have undergone a major life transition? 6. Quantitative research questions. These questions involve collecting and analyzing numerical data to answer research inquiries. For example, what is the relationship between income levels and educational attainment? What makes a good research question? A good research question is characterized by several key qualities. Relevance. It should address a significant and meaningful topic within the field of study. The question should be important and have the potential to contribute to existing knowledge or address a gap in understanding. Clarity. The research question should be clear and concise, avoiding ambiguity or vagueness. It should be specific enough to guide the research process and provide a clear focus. Feasibility. The question should be realistic and achievable within the available resources, time, and scope of the research project. It should be feasible to collect data and analyze it effectively to answer the question. Novelty. A good research question should explore new ground or offer a fresh perspective on an existing topic. It should not be a question that has already been extensively studied or answered. Testability. The question should be capable of being answered through empirical research and evidence. It should be possible to design a research methodology that allows for data collection and analysis to support or refute the question. Importance. The research question should have practical or theoretical significance. It should have the potential to contribute to the field, address a problem, or provide insights that can be applied in real-world contexts. Interest. A good research question should be intellectually stimulating and engaging for the researcher. It should be a question that the researcher is genuinely interested in exploring, as this enthusiasm can enhance the quality and depth of the research. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to formulate a research question. Remember, a well-crafted research question is the foundation of any successful research project. So, take your time, be curious, and enjoy the process of exploring new knowledge. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, happy researching!